Vendor Bigga gunned down in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Anne police are probing the suspected murder of a popular vendor along a section of the Duns River Main Road near Ocherous in the parish early Sunday morning. The deceased has been identified as Conroy Hill alias Bigga of Roaring River Stair Town, St. Anne. He was popularly known for selling bells and other items in the parish. Reports are that at around 12:10 a.m. on Sunday morning, motorists were driving on the Duns River Main Road when they noticed a black Toyota Vaxi vehicle along the embankment near the roadway. The police were alerted, and on inspection of the vehicle, Hill's body was seen slumped in the front passenger seat with what appears to be a gunshot wound to the left side of his head. The scene was processed and the body was subsequently removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. No motive has yet been established for the killing. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.